Welcome to Bitcoin News Today with myself, James Winsoar. Quick look at the charts today. Bitcoin's doing really well. We've seen a big increase in price. If I zoom in, we're looking at the price action for the 3rd of May. We were stuck in this equilibrium pattern that was slightly increasing, but within quite a narrow range. It was getting a bit boring. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments. But at 1 p.m. today, Greenwich Mean Time, we did see a big increase in Bitcoin price. And we've reached levels now that we haven't seen since back on the 29th of April. So great news for Bitcoin. There has been a lot of good news today. Nasdaq have announced that they are launching a cryptocurrency trading platform. So I think this has caused the big spike in Bitcoin price. Going now to Bitcoin Cash. Let's load up the Bitcoin Cash to US dollar chart on Bitfinex. And we have seen that different action on Bitcoin Cash, but the price is performing very well. This happened yesterday actually. So the Bitcoin Cash was ahead of Bitcoin with the increase in price that I mentioned in yesterday's video, and again today we've seen it go a bit higher. It's peaked out so far at $1,550, and again that's going back to prices that we saw on the 24th of April. So the next range after that, if it does reach the top, which was 1,573, maybe we will see another breakout for Bitcoin Cash. Onto Ethereum. Ethereum to the dollar on Bitfinex. I always look at Bitfinex because the data tends to be the best. I'm on the 1 hour chart here, so let's zoom in on the latest activity for the 3rd. Again, big increase in the Ethereum price. Today, the price has gone up from $688 to $755. That's a 9% increase in about 16 hours. So really good increase in price for Ethereum, even though there's been a bit of bad news about Ethereum with the Securities Exchange Commission saying that maybe their token sales were illegal. So watch out for Ethereum. Maybe the price of Ethereum will come down depending on the outcome of that investigation. It always takes a few days for the news to affect the prices of cryptocurrencies. And Litecoin dropped at 6 a.m. this morning. It dropped to $151, but then at 1 p.m. British summertime, the price did increase and we saw a peak of $162. Let's see what that is as a percentage. It is a 7.8% increase, so really good increase in price on Litecoin. And that level there that we went to goes back to the peak that happened on the 25th of April. So again, same with this one. If we do exceed the peak of 166, maybe it will break out and turn bullish. But hopefully you've taken profits. If you did buy down here, I think I was recommending buying on the beginning of the month between the 1st and, well, mainly the 1st of May actually with Litecoin. But similar with the other cryptos, we did kind of bottom out at the beginning of May, and then it's been increasing. So do subscribe if you'd like alerts on the best times to buy. I wouldn't recommend buying now I've seen other people's videos where they're going, oh, it's going to the moon, it's time to buy. But no, it's a really bad idea to buy when the price is high, because it's going to drop. Let me go back to Bitcoin, because there's the most data for Bitcoin, with it being the largest currency. So with Bitcoin, for example, looking at the 1 hour chart, the MACD is high, relatively high, at 57, and the RSI is really high. That indicates that the price is higher than it should be, so we will see the price drop. You can mark my words on that. In the short term, at least on the 1 hour chart, let's look at the 1 day chart and try to predict what the price could do next. We are seeing that the MACD is high, but the RSI is not very high actually. It's going low. So I think what we'll see tomorrow is maybe a drop in price, but we could see it go much higher. I'm predicting that we could go to 11,400 in not too long from now. But do look out for opportunities to buy when the price is low. I think we can be quite optimistic about the price. So please give this video a thumbs up. I'd love you to share this video out as well. If you did find it useful, please share it out. I want to grow my YouTube channel if you find these videos useful. So let me know what you think in the comments. How can I improve these videos? Is it worth me carrying on? But I hope you find it useful, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video very soon. Until then, bye for now.